Hello everyone, I am Dakshita Sharma. Welcome to my channel Create Your Success. A lot of people, when they see Vestige product catalog, they often think that Vestige products are expensive. But actually, that's not true, and that I will be explaining you in this video. After watching this whole video, you'll realize that Vestige products are not expensive. In fact, they are absolutely affordable. In this video, I will be also comparing Vestige products with the regular market brand products. Every month, we buy daily use products such as shampoo, toothpaste, hair oil, tea, coffee, cooking oil, cosmetics, body lotion, sunscreen, deodorants, etc. These are some of the products which we need every month. Let's compare Vestige products with the regular market brand products. We'll first talk about the prices and then we'll talk about the quality. Let's compare product by product. Most of us use Colgate or Pepsodent. We get 100 grams of this toothpaste for 43 rupees, whereas Vestige Dent Assure toothpaste costs 75 rupees for 100 grams. A regular brand toothbrush will cost you 30 rupees, whereas Vestige Dent Assure 4 toothbrushes will cost you 276 rupees. Dettol 100 grams is for 30 rupees and Vestige Assure soap 100 grams is for 40 rupees. 180 ml Head and Shoulders will cost you 145 rupees, whereas Vestige Assure 200 ml will cost you 190 rupees. 200 ml Bajaj Almond Drops will cost you 120 rupees and Vestige Assure Hair Oil 200 ml will cost you 195 rupees. 150 ml Fog Deodorant will cost you 195 rupees, whereas Vestige Assure Deodorant 150 ml will cost you 190 rupees. 100 grams Ponds will cost you 78 rupees, whereas Vestige Assure powder will cost you 60 rupees for 100 grams. 250 grams Savlon hand wash will cost you 108 rupees, whereas 250 grams of Vestige Assure hand wash will cost you 140 rupees. 60 grams of Garnier Men Aqua Fight face wash will cost you 108 rupees, whereas 60 grams of Vestige Assure clarifying face wash will cost you 170 rupees. 100 grams of Gillette shaving cream will cost you 160 rupees, whereas 100 grams of Vestige Assure shaving cream will cost you 120 rupees. 500 ml of Vim liquid dishwash will cost you 140 rupees, whereas 500 ml of Vestige dishwashing liquid will cost you 202 rupees. 500 ml of Lysol will cost you 125 rupees, whereas 500 ml of Vestige floor cleaner will cost you 215 rupees. 500 grams of Surf Excel will cost you 56 rupees, whereas 500 grams of Vestige detergent will cost you 160 rupees. 250 grams of Red Label natural tea will cost you 130 rupees, whereas 250 grams of Zeta special tea will cost you 120 rupees. 1 liter of Fortune cooking oil will cost you 106 rupees, whereas 2 liters of Vestige Lighthouse rice bran oil will cost you 460 rupees. Here I would also like to talk about the rice bran oil from Vestige. Cooking oils of other brands contain high amount of trans fat which never dissolves in the body, and this leads to many deadly diseases such as heart attack, brain hemorrhage, paralysis, obesity, etc. Rice bran oil is absolutely healthy and it also prevents a lot of deadly diseases. And the best part is that you need only half the amount of cooking oil when you're using the rice bran oil. So, in a month, if you need 4 liters of a regular cooking oil, with Vestige rice bran oil, you will need only 2 liters. Now let us calculate the total of all these products. Let's assume that there are 4 members in the family. So, in a month, they would need approximately 2 toothpaste, 4 toothbrushes, 4 soaps, 1 shampoo, 1 hair oil, 2 deodorants, 1 talcum powder, 1 hand wash, 2 face wash, 1 shaving cream, 1 dishwash, 1 floor cleaner, 2 detergent, 2 packet of tea, and 1 cooking oil. So the total of other brand products will sum up to 2604 rupees. So a family of 4 people will spend approximately 2604 rupees for their daily use products. Now let's calculate the total for Vestige products. So the total will be 3431 rupees. But in this particular case, we have considered the MRP. And after this comes the real calculation, which will help you understand that Vestige products are not expensive. On every product, we get 10 to 20% of discount throughout the year. For example, Vestige Assure soap will cost you 40 rupees for its MRP, but after discount, it will cost you 35 rupees. Vestige Assure shampoo will cost you 190 rupees for its MRP, but after discount it will cost you 163 rupees. Likewise, we get discounts on all the products. So if I do the total of discount price, it will come up to 2881 rupees. And with this, we come almost equal to the market brand products. The second benefit which we get in Vestige is the cashback. Every month we get 5% to 11% of cashback, which directly gets credited in our bank accounts. Let's take an average. So on an average, we'll get 8% of cashback. The calculation for cashback is point value into cashback percent into 18 divided by 100. So in this case, it will be 112 into 8 into 18 divided by 100, which is equal to 161.28 rupees. And this amount will be credited directly in our bank accounts. So if I deduct that particular amount from the total, it will be 2720 rupees. The next benefit which we get from Vestige is that Vestige gives 10% of free products every month, provided if we do our shopping in the very first 2 weeks of the month. So on a shopping of 2881 rupees, we get free products worth 280 rupees. Let's deduct this value from the total. Now the total becomes 2440 rupees. And with this total, now you can see that Vestige products are in fact less expensive than the market products. Apart from all these benefits, Vestige also gives us consistency offers. The first consistency offer is a 60 PV offer and the second offer is a 100 PV offer. In the 60 PV consistency offer, if a person buys product worth 2000 rupees before 12th of every month for constantly 4 months, then that person will get a product voucher of 1250 rupees. And in the 100 PV consistency offer, if a person is buying products worth 3000 rupees before 12th of every month, then after the 4th month, the person will receive a product voucher of 2500 rupees. So now after considering the consistency offers, the total monthly expenditure on Vestige products comes down to approximately 1900 rupees. And now my friends, I think I made my point very clear. Vestige products are absolutely affordable. We have talked about the price and now let's move to the quality of the products. Vestige has numerous certifications and awards to justify the quality of the products. Talking about global recognition, Vestige Marketing is now listed 30th in the top 100 direct selling companies in the world. Vestige won Best Nutraceutical Company of the Year 2017 and 2018 award at ABP News Healthcare Leadership Awards. Vestige is also awarded as India's Best Company of the Year 2017. Vestige is the only Indian direct selling company to reach a turnover of 1850 crores with a CAGR of 79%. Apart from this, company also gives you a 30 days money back guarantee. That means if you don't like any product by any chance or for any reason, you can return the product and get your money back. And this explains why we should choose Vestige products. So guys, which side of the fence would you like to be? I'm sure you want to be on the right side, and that is Vestige. Let's not waste any more time. Register for free now. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your team and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Wish you wealth.